Okay, now determinants. If A is a matrix given as this, no, your voices please. Then the determinant of A has to appear as this, which means in the place of these braces or brackets, I'm going to have what? A stroke. And then what's going to happen here? It is simply, you look at these two diagonals, the first one, which is upper left to lower right, will multiply. I mean, you multiply the element here by here. You have A times D. Then, when you are coming here, that's to be minus B times C. That's all for the determinant of A. In some cases, it is advisable to put the positive sign on the first column and the negative sign on the second column. For example, if Q is minus 1, 2, 3, and 0, then the determinant of Q is this, which equals minus 1, 2, 3, and 0. And then what will you do with this? Minus 1 times 0, that is minus 1 times 0. Then when you come like this or like this, that is minus. Then 2 times 3. So you're going to have minus 1, minus 6, which is what? Minus 7, or negative 7. Very straightforward. This is matrix A, but this is determinant A. Don't get it twisted. Why? This bracket has been replaced with these strokes. Meaning, if you have any matrix coming this way, then the determinant is this. And it is simply A times B minus B times C. This minus 1 and 0. Oh my God. Oh, sorry, please. Minus 1 times 0 is 0, please. Thank you for that. Thank you. Forgive me. Then, negative 2 times 3 gives negative 6. And the answer will definitely be what? Minus 6 or negative 6. Please, forgive me for that. Now, you have to note this. Determinant must be square. Must be what? Square. It must be square. And in the case you have a larger square, that is, you have a 3 by 3 square matrix and you want to find the determinant of such matrix, how will you go by this? This needs full attention. It needs what? Full attention. Because we are going to take a sub-determinant from the larger one into places. And that's when we mention cofactors and the likes. Okay. Example 2. Or let me say case 2 first before example 2. If R is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and J, then determinant R is going to be, you have first A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and J. Can you see that? And then you will have plus, minus, plus. Now, how will you solve this? I will explain. You are going to pick A and you write it out. A times the determinant of the cofactors of A. What are the cofactors of A? Look at this axis.
Is D and B.
This is A. This is axis for A. That is the row and the column for A. You are not going to touch this. You are concerned with E, F, H, and J. And you find the determinant of this. So it means I'm going to have A times E times J, EJ minus H times F, FH. That's not all, because this is plus A. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Good. The next one is what? Minus B. Then I'm going to keep the cofactor or cofactors of B. That is, when I draw my axis on B like this, then I'm concerned with D, F, G, and J. So which means I have to find the determinant of that too. So which is D times J minus F times G. And the next one is what? C. Which means I have to say plus C. Which is times, then I'm concerned with the cofactors, which are D, E, G, and H. So you have plus C times DH minus EJ. DH minus E. Oh my God. I have DE. Sorry, C. DE, then GH. So it's DH minus EG. So which means the overall determinant will simply be what? A times EJ minus FH minus B times DJ minus FG plus C times GH minus EG. It's as simple as that. You work this out and you get your final answer. T equals 2, 0, 1, minus 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 0. The determinant of D is simply 2 times 1 times 0 is 0 minus 6, then minus 0 times minus 3 times 0 is 0, then 4 times 2 8, then plus 1 into bracket, minus 3 times 3 is minus 9, then minus 4 times 1, 4. So all together I have 0 minus 6. You know, you have to solve from the brackets first. 0 minus 6 is minus 6 or negative 6. So you have that times 2, that is negative 12. And everything here is 0. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Because the coefficient is 0. So that minus 0, then plus minus 9, minus 4. Altogether you have negative what? 13. Then you multiply it by what? Plus 1. So you have minus 13. So now you have minus 12 minus 13, which is of course minus or negative 25. That is the determinant of this thing.